Okay, we're on 70%. It's nearly cooked. Just going to steam the broccoli. All cooked. So that probably took just over half an hour. You've got broccoli with a red wine gravy with sausages. 63% left. And good morning, it's morning coffee time now. So the power bank is on 62%. So let's have a little look. And it's off. Right, so here's something interesting. This is a 1200 watt power bank. Look how much it's drawing when it's drawing at its full power. It was actually drawing over 1200 watts. So this power bank is capable of running a coffee maker, because we've had them before that would trip. So just so you know, that's an espresso coffee maker. They're quite power hungry. They're about 1200 watts, if a little bit more. This can cope with it, as you can see. Hey, so 2 cups of coffee, and they're big cups. Look at my hand. Big cups. And we are down to 54%. So this power bank has done our dinner last night using the induction cooker, and I cooked that for over half an hour. And 2 cups of coffee, and it's also charged up fully a mobile phone. And there's still half left. That's good.